Alright guys, so I'm just creating this video very quickly to give you an very important update that actually I just got this on our Discord server. So I thought, okay, let me just share it with my community members as soon as possible. So right now, as you know that DALL-E, if you have to use this image generator, you have to like buy some credits. Let's suppose $15 minimum you'll have to buy uh, for 115 credits to generate images. And even, yeah, I mean, you can surely you can use Midjourney, but I think DALL-E is you can say I mean it's much better in so many ways. And most importantly, I mean, I found a way to create images on DALL-E for free. So let me just share with you guys. So okay, so this version of DALL-E, I think it's this is DALL-E 2. So I'm going to tell you how you can actually use DALL-E 3 for free, like for absolutely for free, without buying any credits, without buying this. So all you need to do is just get a Microsoft account, and that's it. I think then you can just have your I mean that's what is required. So all you have to do, it's just open a new tab and go for Bing Image Creator. Bing Image Creator. As soon as you come here, you can open directly it in Microsoft Edge as well. So okay, I just created this one. Alright. So right now, if I have to like create any image, so I'll have to buy this number of credits. But I can just let me just give you an idea that how can I create anything in DALL-E 3 for free. So let's suppose this, copy any prompt, or if you have prompt for your image, so you can just use that. Right now I don't have any idea in my mind, so I'm just going to copy the existing prompt. And also it gives you a comparison, like this image was actually created in DALL-E 2. So let's just create something in DALL-E 3. So by the way, this is absolutely free. There is no image limit. There is absolutely no limit of images. You can create unlimited images. Yes, there is the boost limit. I mean, you can boost maximum 25 images in beginning, and then later on you'll have to like use the slow process to create images for you. So let me just give it a prompt, create, and now it will take some time. This is my previous creation, and also you can compare, like this is going to be DALL-E 3. Okay, so yeah, this image is created by DALL-E 3, and as soon as you create it, you get option to save it, share it, download it, customize it. Okay, wow, that's amazing. Oh wow. Okay, so you got access to like completely for free into DALL-E 3. Okay, just compare the quality. I mean, here on the official website of OpenAI, you'll have to like pay $15 to start creating, and that too with the in DALL-E 2 with much lower quality. And here you can have like high quality images for absolutely for free, absolutely for free. So yeah, this was the update, and I hope it was helpful for you guys. So I mean, I'll see you guys soon. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.